Hi everyone. In this video, I show you how you can record and save measurement data with the help of LabWorldSoft 6. As an example, the measurement data of a magnetic stirrer should be saved. To do this, first look for the laboratory device from the device library. Double-click the device module to open the device configuration. Select all device functions that you want to control via LabWorldSoft and all measured values that have to be saved during the running process. Also, set the COM port via which the device is connected to the PC. Connect the device inputs with the respective standard modules by dragging the device input onto a free area in the workspace while holding down the left mouse button. Select the display module for the outputs from the menu by right-clicking on the device module. There are now different possibilities for saving the measurement data. The first option is to use the Save module. To use the Save module, select it from the module library. Click on the Save entry or drag the module with the left mouse button pressed to a free area in the workspace. Alternatively, you can also use the search function to select the Save module. To do this, enter the name of the module in the search field. The search result will be listed automatically. Select the Save module by double-clicking it or drag and drop the module to a free area in the workspace. You can also select the Save module via the Quick Access menu. To open the Quick Access menu, double-click the right mouse button on a free field in the workspace. Select the Save module from the Quick Access menu by clicking or dragging it to a free area in the workspace. You can now connect all device outputs of which you want to save their values with the Save module. A new input is generated on the Save module for each connection. If you want to save all the values of the device outputs, you can also right-click on the device module and select the Save entry. This adds a Save module to the workspace that is directly connected to all the device outputs. You can remove individual device outputs that you don't want to save by clicking on the connection and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. When you have connected the Save module to the device outputs, double-click the Save module to open the configuration window. You can use the path setting to define where the generated measurement files have to be saved. There are different ways to define the file name. You can have the file name generated automatically. The file name then consists of the current date and time at which the process was started, as well as the name of the configuration file and the user-defined name of the Save module. Alternatively, you can also set the file name to be entered manually when the process is started. You can also define the file name within the Save module. The sample rate defines how often the measurement data should be saved. For example, every second, or every 10 seconds, or once a minute. The file format defines which measurement files will be created. The measurement data can be saved, for example, as a CSV file or as an Excel file. The configuration of the Save module is now complete. You can now start the process using the Start button. Since I chose to enter the file name manually when starting the process, I must first enter the desired name of the file. While the process is running, the Save module saves not only the device data, but also all user actions. For example, when a function is started or stopped by the user, or when the user changes a set value manually. You can also document comments and observations that are saved together with the measurement data. To do this, select the comment window via the View entry in the menu. While the process is running, you can enter a text here that is given a timestamp and save together with the measurement data. If you stop the measurement, you can view the measurement results. To do this, open the directory in which you have saved the measurement data, or open the configuration window of the Save module and click on the Open button next to the path setting. LabWorldSoft has created various files. First, open the Excel file. Different tables were created within the Excel file. Information about the measurement is stored in the first table. For example, the times at which the process was started and ended, or which laboratory devices were in use during the process. The measurement data are saved in the next table. Each entry is provided with several timestamps. The first column shows the date and time at which the measurement data was saved. The second column shows the relative time to the start time of the process. And the third column shows the relative time to the start time of the process in 1/10 of a second. This is followed by the columns of the stored device values. The values are protected against manipulation. You cannot remove this protection, but you can copy the table contents into a new Excel table in order to work with the measurement data. The next table shows various automatically generated diagrams. However, these are only created if there is not too much measurement data. The first graph shows all measurement values, while the following graphs are sorted according to the physical units. In the comment table, you will find your comments and observations that you documented during the measurement via the comment window. Each entry is provided with a timestamp. All events that occurred during the measurement are documented in the log table. This includes the start and stop times of the process, as well as user actions, error messages, and user comments. The measurement data were not only saved in an Excel file, but also in a CSV file. This can also be found in the same file directory. The comments and log entries are saved in separate text files. The Save module starts recording the data as soon as the process is started. In some cases, however, it is not necessary to document the entire process. For example, heating phases may not be interesting for the documentation and can therefore be ignored. You can use the trigger input of the Save module to only save measurement data when you want to. The measurement data are only saved as long as the trigger input is active. If you connect the trigger input to a switch module, for example, the measurement data are only recorded when the switch is switched on. You can also connect the trigger input with a function of a device or with a logical condition. In this example, the device values of a viscometer should be saved. The viscometer provides an output that indicates whether the measured viscosity value is stable or not. If you connect the device output of the viscometer to the trigger input of the Save module, device values will only be saved if the viscosity is stable. You can also save the values from different devices using the same Save module. To do this, either drag the respective device outputs onto the device module, or select the device outputs and then click on the Save module. You can simply use several Save modules to create different measurement files. In addition to the Save module, there is a second possibility to save measurement values. In the menu under Measurement, you will find the Record function, which automatically saves all outputs of all devices and modules. The configuration window has similar options like the Save module. You can choose the saving path, you can determine how the file name should be created, and how often the measurement values should be saved. Again, there is the option of saving the measurement values both as Excel and CSV files. Save modules and the recording function can of course be also used in parallel. And that's it. You can now use LabWorldSoft 6 to record and save the measurement values of your processes.